morning everyone. My name is Ashish. I study in first class. I say states and characters. Assam, School, Andhra Pradesh, Itanagar, Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Manipur, Maharashtra, Bombay, Manipur, Rimpa, Meghalaya, Shimla, Mizoram, Aitwa, Nagaland, Kolima, Orissa, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, and Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun.